Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video and guide on FC24. If you want to see more of these guides on our channel, make sure to subscribe on our channel because we're uploading a lot of different guides on FC24. So in today's video, I will show you how to score a volley in FC24. It's very easy, guys, so let's get started. So basically, as you can see right here, in order to perform a volley in EA FC24, you need to press either B on a Xbox or circle on your PlayStation while the ball is airborne. So while the ball is traveling in the sky, while the ball is airborne, you will need to click either B on your Xbox or circle on your PlayStation. Now this will basically prompt your players to do a volley. Right now, a good volley can be, when the ball is coming down, right? If it's like almost on your foot, then you can hit the circle and that could be a good volley, right? If it's too early, that could be like a big of a volley and you can miss a goal. So that's basically what you need to do, right? Either a B on your Xbox or circle on your PlayStation while the ball is airborne. So that's basically how to score a volley and how to do a volley in FC24. So if you have any other questions or comments, you can comment down below, and you can comment down below which videos you want to see next on FC24. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.